Well, it's been a while since I have done a zine video, so I thought I would do one today, mostly because next week I am going to be teaching a mixed media zine class. And for each of my classes, I always like to include a fun little kind of takeaway thing for the students to take home with them, something informative that they can kind of go home and play with and learn more from. So what I did last class and what I'm going to do today is create a Let's Make a Zine zine for those taking the class, and it'll just be like a little pamphlet to explain what a zine is, a little bit about the history of a zine, why one would want to make a zine, and then how to fold and decorate a zine. So this video you'll see me putting that together. And I will mention that this part where I am folding, I have included a free how to fold a zine guide in the link below this video. If you would like to get your copy, it's totally free and just a helpful tool for your own zine making. I kept this super simple. I am just working on 8.5 by 11 piece of printer paper, and I had some text that I already printed out, which is what you see me cutting out now. For the foundation of this zine, if you've watched some of my videos before, this is incredibly easy and incredibly fun. I just try to fill up the whole page, different colors. In this case, I'm using primarily markers and some Posca pens there. I just fill up the page and then I fold and cut my zine. And then what I'm doing now is I am going back and adding the text and then just pasting that on top of each page. And then at the end, once everything is kind of in place, I go back through and add little details around the text and just to kind of fill in the pages and make it a little more fun. So that is what I'm doing in this video today. And like I said, I have pre-printed some text that I wanted to include. And in a little bit here, I'll run through everything that this little zine says. But the main thing with making zines is, of course, to have a lot of fun and kind of loosen up on your control a little bit. I mean, of course, you could really pay attention to every mark you're making and, you know, page by page, but I really encourage just kind of making some fun designs and playing a little bit, and then when you fold it all up, you don't quite know what you're going to get, and something about that lack of control is really exciting to me. And I think it just makes the zine feel a little more natural and whatnot. So you'll see that I just continue to cut out each page of the text, and then I'm just adhering it with some roll-on glue. This is the easiest way I found. It's not messy, it's super quick. And another reason I like this type of glue is, in this case, I am going to make photocopies of this zine. So each individual piece of paper that I am gluing on doesn't need to be totally secure. As long as it sticks and it's not going to shift around, that's plenty for the copy machine, because they'll just lay that flat and make copies for me. If this was something like a custom order zine or something where I was going to sell the actual zine that I'm making, I would of course use a higher quality glue and something that really, really sticks. And of course, the sky's the limit with making zines. You could really do some good collage work on here. You could easily add some pictures or some stickers. I'm adding just a little bit of washi tape here to this zine, but you can really put on as many layers as you would like. And by contrast, you could also leave it as plain and minimal as you like. Some zines are just printed text, and that's totally fine and great too. So it's just a great opportunity to play a little bit, make a little bit of artwork, and also include some words and share some insight. So that's why I like creating them, and I am super excited about teaching this class again. It's one of my favorite classes to teach because it's one of the classes that I think people really loosen up a lot quicker than some other art forms where they feel a little more held back and a little scared to get some paint on the canvas and such. With these zines, it just doesn't feel quite as scary. So I encourage you, if you are a zine maker or you've wanted to dabble in it, give it a try. I would love to hear how it's going, if you have any questions, and what kind of zines you like to create. All right, and I'm all done with my zine. On the first page, it says, what is a zine? And then the next page says zine history and tells a brief history of zines and zine making. Why make a zine? And then a 6-step guide how to make a zine. And then a page more of a visual where students can see how they're going to fold and cut their page, how to add collage and color to your zine. And then on the last page, more about me, and then some more resources to learn more about making zines. And one of my favorite things to do when I'm done with a zine is open it back up and just see all the beauty and the colors and the randomness all together in one space. I just think that's super cool. I hope you like this video, guys. Again, visit that link below for a free guide on how to make an 8-page zine, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers!